Welcome to Mukhlis Trading Academy, your go-to place for profitable, proven trading strategies. In this video, I'll show you the top 3 timeframes you must master for scalping, day trading, and swing trading, so you can enter the market with confidence and exit with profits. Why timeframes matter? Timeframes aren't just charts, they're the foundation of every strategy. Choosing the wrong timeframe can result in fake signals, poor entries, and missed profits, but using the right timeframe puts the market in your favor. Scalping timeframe 1 min 5 min. If you're a scalper, speed is your edge. Best timeframes 1 minute and 5 minute. Why? These offer fast setups with tight stop losses. Tips: combine with indicators like RSI or VWAP for precision entries. Risk: high noise, so quick decision making is key. Day trading timeframe 15 min 1 hour. Perfect for traders who want to capture intraday moves. Best timeframes 15 min, 30 min, 1 hour. Why? Balances detail and trend clarity. Tips: use with EMA crossover, price action, or Fibonacci levels. Risk: medium, good for disciplined setups with better confirmations. Swing trading timeframe 4-hour daily. Ideal for those who prefer quality over quantity. Best timeframes 4-hour daily. Why? Offers strong trend signals with less noise. Tips: combine with trend lines, moving averages, and SMC levels. Risk: lower noise, requires patience but higher reward trades. Final thoughts: whatever your style, mastering your time frame can transform your strategy. Match your trading psychology, lifestyle, and risk tolerance to the right time frame. And always test on demo before going live. Thanks for watching. Which time frame do you use the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss powerful trading tips from Mukhlis Trading Academy.